getting ready to build a home. 'Cause I ain't your servant, baby. You said I was selfish and always gone with my friends, yeah. 'Cause living with you drove me crazy. Now if you want a little toy or a pet to spend your day with, boy, just know that I am not the perfect person for the role. I ain't your mom, yeah. I ain't your sis, no, no. I ain't your kid, and I'll never be. I ain't your shrink, I'm just the kind of girl that you can't handle. I ain't your slave, no. I won't behave. Not here to stay, and I'll never be. I ain't your scapegoat. You think you can do this all on me? Better know I'm not the one. You said that I wasn't there for you, didn't sustain you. But how could I have done this, baby? You couldn't trust yourself, couldn't love yourself, couldn't even respect yourself.